today's video, I will show you an easy tutorial on how to paint on denim. In painting denim, I personally do prefer using acrylic paint because it can dry out faster compared to other kinds of paint. Also, using acrylic paint will let you create thinner layers that will give you a desirable amount of paint into your artwork. The best brushes to use are the rough and the hard ones, and I certainly don't recommend the use of watercolor brushes because it's hard to control them when using acrylic on thick fabric. I used masking tape around the area that I want to paint on so that I can avoid a messy outcome. I have decided to paint sunflowers for this, and I'm starting with yellow as the base color. If you want to have a perfect result or you are afraid to put paint right away, then make pencil outlines as a guide. So here goes our first layer. You can add more yellow to achieve a solid color, then just continue painting. By the way, I don't have any reference for this painting, and since I always paint with watercolors, I use the light to dark technique. It is okay to use that technique if you are careful or good enough, but it is better to apply the dark to light technique when it comes to acrylic. Did you know that acrylic paint is widely considered to be the most beginner-friendly medium, as it is simple to use and requires very few materials compared to other mediums. So I'm done painting the center of the sunflower with brown color and made it look like it is composed of numerous disc flowers crowded together while placing a smaller and darker color inside of it. The next step is to add orange and brown color on the petals to create highlights and shadows while carefully blending yellow color to avoid having too dark petals. For the leaves, I started again with light colors. I mixed green and white, then started putting the first layer of its leaves. I added a darker green color for the details of the leaves, then continue painting more leaves around the sunflowers. Just be careful enough to avoid having paint on the flowers. Then I added black color on some parts of the painting. Once done, set it aside for a couple of minutes so we can start painting another layer of yellow and lighter green for highlights and adding small details. I also added black outline for the sunflowers using an ordinary permanent marker. When the final layer is all done, we're down to our final step. Cover it with acrylic coating to protect the painting. I use this transparent spray paint, which is good for acrylics. It will make the painting last longer and protected, especially when washing the fabric.
So that's a quick tutorial on painting on denim. If you find this helpful, you can like and subscribe, and then just leave a comment on the comment section and just put suggestions for my next videos. Thank you! Happy painting!